Our guide told us there are around 60 to 70 crocodiles in this water, and he spotted two more on the rock where he just started to take us near to those crocodiles. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is your host Akash Kapoor bringing you another video. Well, in this video we are going to visit Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary. The Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary is on the way from Bangalore to Mysore. It's around 16 kilometers approximately from Mysore, and now we are going to explore this place as to what kind of birds are there. So let's get going. Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary is a bird sanctuary in the Mandya district of the state of Karnataka. It is the largest bird sanctuary in the state, 40 acres in area, and comprises of 6 islets on the banks of river Kaveri. Ranganathitu is located 3 kilometers from the historical town of Srirangapatna and 16 kilometers north of Mysore towards Bangalore. Here is the board showing the charges. And one can even take a boat on his own, like a private boat. And the charges, I believe, are there. It's like 2,000 for 2 people. Or you can take per person. Here is the entrance. Well, just as you enter, you see this huge tree. You can see this way. Looks very pretty. Wow. And here is the entire group. Say hello, guys.
Hello. Hello. Let's go.
All right. It seems everyone is fresh, is it?
Yes. Yes.
It's been a long day, though.
No. No.
All right. In this bird safari, one doesn't go on a jeep. The safari is in boats. So one has to board a boat and go around different places to see the birds. When we reached there was a long queue and they asked us to wait. And this area also has some more things to discover. So we thought, why don't we go and check other things out? This is the place where they're going to take us. And I see alligator here. Alligator. There is one on that. Here is a bird watchtower. Let's go in and check out how the view is from the top. Here is the view from the top. Not sure if camera is able to catch it, but there are a lot of birds. It seems like a bird colony there. Wow, that's a hanging bridge. Looks really nice. So let's go and see how it is. Cool. And there is water passing through underneath the bridge. Nice. It's a very well-maintained park here. And we already saw a lot of birds. We will be going there in a short time because there is a waiting time for the boats. And let's go to the glass bottom bridge. We have a glass bottom bridge here. Here is a glass bottom bridge, if you can see. Entry to Glass Bottom Bridge. Okay. That's a glass bottom bridge. How does it feel underneath? Check this out. It was now time to go back to the boarding point of the boat. Just a little bit about the sanctuary. Ranganathittu's Isles were formed when an embankment across the Kaveri River was built between 1645 and 1648 by then King of Mysore, Kantivira Narsimha Raja Wadiyar. These islets, originally numbering 25, soon started attracting birds. The famous ornithologist Salim Ali observed that the islets formed an important nesting ground for a large variety of birds and persuaded the then King of Mysore to declare the area a protected area in 1940. Our group had now boarded the boat and were all set for the bird safari. There is a crocodile right there. Oh, you're so close to water here. Here is a crocodile. I'm not sure if you're able to see it. It's just going in the same direction as us. Oh, it's coming this side. Oh, it just changed the direction. See that?
Pelican bird, spot-beak pelican bird.
There's a pelican.
Pelican or pink color bird, painted stork.
And the croc is very near to us now. So close to us. ये कौन सा bird है?
Black cormorant bird.
Cormorant.
Big bird, pelicans, huh?
Pelicans.
Black bird, cormorant. The white and black bird, open beak stork.
Open beak stork.
The pelican nesting. The nest is ready.
Pelican nest. Our guide took us near the bird nest. I will not mute the sound. Hear the sound of birds. Roughly 170 bird species have been recorded at Ranganathitu. Several species like the painted stork, Asian open-billed stork, and many more breed at Ranganathitu regularly. It is a popular nesting site, and about 8,000 nestlings were sighted during June 2011. During winter months, starting from mid-December, as many as 40,000 birds congregate at Ranganathitu, some migrating from Siberia, Latin America, and parts of North India. During Jan and Feb, more than 30 species of migratory birds can be found in the sanctuary. Let me show you the sunset from here. Looks good, the reflection, sun in the water. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, these are the bird nests.
Open bill stork bird.
Wow. See those nests?
One, two, three crocodile.
Oh, there are baby crocodiles. There's a baby crocodile here.
There are two.
And two on the other rock. It looks so good with sun setting behind the trees and birds sitting right in front. It looked like a picture perfect shot. On top we see pelicans. And here are the nests and the babies. Look at those babies.
सबको नेस्ट में बच्चा है।
हाँ,
तो देखो पेलिकन का बच्चा देखो, बड़ा वाला छोटा बच्चा।
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ. See those babies there? This is a full colony of birds. So many nests. You can hear the bird sounds. Sounds of bird chirping. Our guide told us there are around 60 to 70 crocodiles in this water, and he spotted 2 more on the rock where he just started to take us near to those crocodiles. Here are the crocs on the backside. They're on the rock. Wow. That's close, very close. The other one is here with the open mouth. Oh, he's closing the mouth. That's very close. Nice. After taking us so close to the crocodiles, the guide thought it was time to now go back to the shore, and he started rowing back to the shore after showing us so many crocodiles, different species of birds. In fact, we saw the bird nests, which was really nice, and the bird colonies were really nice where we could hear the sound of so many birds together. And once we were on the shore, the sunset looked so pretty. We sat there for some time before winding up the trip, and it was a nice trip. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Visit to Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary. Well, I'll catch you in our next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. And please, please, please do subscribe, like, and share. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.